are two versions. So this is the Intel variant. It'll come in I think it's a silk sand is the name of the color. It's kind of like a gold variant. And it also comes in our Eclipse gray, which is kind of more like a dark gray, black variant. And then we have our Qualcomm variant over here, which comes in stone blue. So these devices, here, I know you're recording here, but just look how thin these are. Yeah, you could see them. It is thinner than a 2025 MacBook Air, and we built them to be durable. So they've passed 20 different mil-spec standard tests.
Oh, wow.
And we changed, instead of CNC milled aluminum, they're forged stamped now. So with forged stamping, you heat them, you press them, but you get reinforced edges like here. So what we didn't want is to create a thin and light device that people thought was fragile. We wanted to create a thin and light device that's durable for everyday use. The display on these can go up to a 3K OLED display. And you can go up to 64 gigabits of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD.
Yeah.
And then if you've gone through our gaming section, you've probably heard them talkers. We've had a vapor chamber solution.
Wow.
So we wanted to be able to take advantage. So that's the Intel, and then this is the stone blue color. A lot of the features across are exactly the same. This goes up to the Snapdragon X2 Elite processor, and we're exclusive with Qualcomm, and we will have 85 TOPS in the end of the year. A lot of the same features across both of these devices. There is these two, the most powerful CPU options. You'll get about a little more than 22 hours. You'll get up to 30 hours is our target for battery. So, I've been getting a lot of questions today, like, an adapter that will ship in with our devices. We also have a 45 watt for some of our other devices. And we have oh no, come on, do it for the picture, Eric. The 100 watt version.